Today, we're diving deep into the most exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the Apple iPhone 17 lineup, including the potential iPhone 17 Pro Max or possibly the iPhone 17 Ultra, and even the sleek and slim iPhone 17 Air. If you're an Apple enthusiast or someone who's waiting for the next big thing in mobile technology, you won't want to miss a second of this video. Apple is once again poised to revolutionize the smartphone industry. And if these leaks and early reports are anything to go by, the iPhone 17 series could bring some of the most groundbreaking changes we've ever seen. From design overhauls to next-generation hardware to software integrations with Apple Intelligence and more, there's a lot to talk about. So make sure you stick around till the very end, because we're covering every major detail, including pricing, features, release expectations, and even a few surprises. The big question: iPhone 17 Pro Max or iPhone 17 Ultra? One of the most talked about topics in the tech community right now is whether Apple is going to officially retire the Pro Max naming scheme in favor of a new and possibly more premium name, iPhone 17 Ultra. This name change wouldn't just be for branding purposes. According to multiple sources, including insiders familiar with Apple's product development cycles, the iPhone 17 Ultra may introduce exclusive features that truly set it apart from the rest of the lineup. If this transition happens, Apple would join the ranks of companies like Samsung, who use the Ultra moniker to represent their most powerful and feature-packed devices. In Apple's case, this could mean a larger battery, new thermal systems, exclusive camera upgrades, and even hardware-based AI enhancements, all built into a redefined design structure. Release date. When is the iPhone 17 series coming? Following Apple's usual release cycle, the iPhone 17 lineup is expected to be officially unveiled in September 2025. Just like the iPhone 16 series, the iPhone 17 series will likely follow a similar four-model approach: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro. Max or Ultra? What's new this time, however, is the possible introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, a model that's rumored to push the boundaries of thinness and lightweight design. iPhone 17 Air, the slimmest iPhone ever? According to early production leaks from Apple's supply chain partners, the iPhone 17 Air is aiming to become the thinnest iPhone in history, with a remarkable 6.25mm thickness. That's significantly slimmer than the iPhone 16, 7.8mm, and even the iPhone 16 Pro, 8.25mm. For comparison, this would make the iPhone 17 Air even slimmer than many ultra-thin Android smartphones and closer in feel to earlier iPod Touch models. The device has reportedly entered the new product introduction (NPI) phase at Foxconn, signaling that it's already in advanced stages of development. With a lightweight aluminum frame, a reduced bezel design, and possibly a magnesium-lithium alloy construction, the iPhone 17 Air could appeal to minimalists and those seeking ultra-portable performance. Battery and thermal upgrades in the iPhone 17 Ultra. One of the major highlights of the upcoming iPhone 17 Ultra is the rumored vapor chamber cooling system, a feature typically found in high-end gaming smartphones and flagship Android models. Apple seems to be experimenting with this technology to manage thermal performance more efficiently, especially during prolonged high-intensity tasks such as gaming, video editing, or extended 4K video recording. Alongside this, the battery capacity is also expected to increase significantly. Sources indicate a potential jump to 4,850 mAh, which would be a substantial leap from the iPhone 16 Pro Max and give users better screen-on time, faster charging, and improved thermal stability. These improvements are key for powering new AI-driven apps and Apple Intelligence features, which we'll cover in detail shortly. A bold new design, pixel-inspired camera bar. Another standout rumor that's gaining traction is the potential design shift in the iPhone 17 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro. Instead of the usual triple-camera vertical or diagonal layout, Apple might adopt a pixel-style horizontal camera bar at the rear. This design wouldn't just be for aesthetics. It could also accommodate larger sensors, improved periscope zoom, and better optical image stabilization. On the front, we might still see the dynamic island, but some leaks hint at a reduced eye size or possibly a transition to a fully under-display Face ID system by 2025. Whether that's happening in this cycle or the next remains unclear, but Apple is clearly inching closer to a true all-screen iPhone experience. Camera capabilities. Pro photography in your pocket. When it comes to smartphone photography, Apple is already a leader, but the iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to take things even further. The top-end models, iPhone 17 Pro and Ultra TR, rumored to come with a triple 48-megapixel camera system, including 48-megapixel wide 48-megapixel ultra-wide 48-megapixel telephoto with periscope zoom. Meanwhile, the base iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Air are likely to sport a single 48-megapixel main camera, which still offers impressive image quality thanks to Apple's advanced computational photography. Expect upgrades in night mode, portrait photography, and cinematic video recording, alongside enhancements to ProRAW and ProRes capabilities. Next-gen chipset, A19 Pro and Apple Intelligence integration, all signs point to the iPhone 17 Ultra being powered by the Apple A19 Pro chip, which is expected to be manufactured using TSMC's 2nm process. This would not only improve performance and efficiency, but also support the growing demands of on-device AI processing. Apple is leaning heavily into AI with its new Apple Intelligence platform, and the iPhone 17 series will be one of the first full series to be optimized for it. Some new features include smarter Siri with contextual awareness, cross-app automation for more intuitive workflows, on-device AI tools for photos, emails, notes, and even video editing, privacy-focused machine learning that doesn't rely on cloud. Computing with iOS 19 debuting alongside the new phones, the synergy between hardware and software will be tighter than ever before. Display technology, a visual powerhouse. The iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to feature a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion 120 Hz refresh rate, ultra-narrow bezels, and improved peak brightness for HDR content. Color accuracy, contrast ratios, and always-on display features are all expected to improve, making this the ultimate device for content creators, gamers, and multimedia consumers. Rumors also suggest the inclusion of tandem OLED panels, which could increase brightness while reducing power consumption. Pricing, what will it cost? With all these advanced features and premium hardware, it's no surprise that the iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to carry a hefty price tag. Reports suggest a starting price of $1,099 to $1,740, depending on storage configurations. That's consistent with the iPhone 16 Pro Max launch price, which means Apple might be offering more value without hiking prices. The iPhone 17 Air, being a more specialized device, could be priced just under $999, while the base iPhone 17 might start at $799. These figures are, of course, subject to change, but they give us a solid idea of Apple's positioning strategy. Other expected features and enhancements. Here's a quick rundown of other rumored features that could arrive. With the iPhone 17 lineup, Wi-Fi 7 support for faster, more stable connectivity, upgraded 5G modem with better power efficiency, larger base storage options starting at 256 GB, improved MagSafe accessories, and faster wireless charging USB-C port with Thunderbolt support on Pro and Ultra models, haptic feedback. Enhancements, new color options, including Deep Space Black, Midnight Purple, and Titanium Gray. Final thoughts. Is the iPhone 17 Ultra the future? From everything we've seen and heard so far, it's clear that Apple is pushing the boundaries with the iPhone 17 series. The addition of an Ultra variant, the launch of a super slim Air model, and significant camera, display, and AI improvements point to a transformative year ahead for iPhone lovers. If Apple delivers on even half of these rumored upgrades, the iPhone 17 series could become the most advanced smartphone lineup of 2025, setting new standards in design, functionality, and performance.